Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this telecast. Today we are in the Federal Republic of Germany, and it takes a culture to grow. And when a culture grows and you start taking it to places, today Diaspora Television is on stage with Edo Women. Watch out right now to see how they carried the custom of their people to the Federal Republic of Germany. Happy viewing. Culture, they said, is the totality of the people's way of life. Today on screen is a very wonderful group here in Germany. Ladies and gentlemen, Diaspora TV is here today to give them a little bit coverage and introduction. So, sir, I can see that you are the chief drummer in this group. What is this all about? Because I can see a lot of Germans, surrounding the whole stadium, looking at you to see the kind of crowd you have drawn here today. It's marvelous. So tell the viewers, what is happening.
Well, these are a group of ladies living in Freiburg, all of them from Benin, Edo, to be precise, who just love to meet, to sing and dance and have fun with each other.
Okay. So, can you tell it up, Mama? I can see that you are leading this group. You know, what is it all about? What is the name? And then how can people reach out to you people? You know, if people want you to come and entertain them.
Yeah. Good afternoon, good evening, good night. Depends on wherever and whenever you are coming across this video. So we are here today. The name of this group is Onyemusa Cultural Dance, Freiburg, here in Germany. Except our daddy here that is from Ghana. So the rest of us here, we are from Nigeria. And so it all happened 2 years ago when the social worker here in Germany called on us and said it's good for us to have this kind of wonderful group to represent our country, so that our children that are born here, they can also learn our culture, our way of dancing, our way of life. Then it was a very great opportunity for us. We all grabbed the opportunity, and here we are today. Some of our children that are born here, they are also joining us, despite that they are camera shy, but 2 of them are here also joining us in this dancing group. So we are very happy. You can watch, you can reach out to us on my YouTube channel also, Lady SS. Please run there and just go and watch, because I'm going to be uploading it there also.
Hello everybody, as we are here now, we are happy. We thank everybody. Bye.
Hello viewers. So today we just came here to do some exercise for the people to see us also. And as you can see, we are not many, but normally we some of them don't have time to come today, so we are more than this. So thank you very much for supporting us. We love you all. Thank you.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I will urge you people to keep watching this group on Lady SS YouTube page. And you will never get tired in listening and hearing the rhythmic music from Edo State, Nigeria. God bless you all. This is the Diaspora